All right, just a quick tour through this activity. The goal was, in case you didn't figure it out, the goal wasn't to challenge you. The goal was to see how a learning trajectory, a progression of activities, can help students combat some of the fraction frustrations that we mentioned earlier. And so this one was designed, as you can see from the first one, students are working with the manipulatives, and they're seeing, I know you can't quite see them all over there, but they're seeing, first of all, how many oranges cover a whole circle. Well, oranges are the third, so it takes 3 to make a whole circle. 1, 2, and 3. Get in there. It takes 5 greens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make a whole circle. And so which color takes more pieces? The green. Which one has the smaller? So now you see the issue back in the fraction frustrations. The whole idea of more is less. It takes more pieces, therefore the pieces must be smaller. And so as you work through this, let's see how you did. It would take 5 greens. We already figured that one out. Now we're comparing to the blue. The blue, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 blue. Therefore, it takes more blues, and the blues are smaller. How about lavender versus blue? Now, blue we already did was 8, but lavender, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It would take 10 lavenders. So now the lavenders, it takes more of them, and they're smaller. So as you keep working through this, I hope you see the point. The point is, let's see, blue versus gray. The point is, the more pieces that it takes to cover a whole unit, the smaller it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It takes 12 grays, and so it takes more grays, and that means there's smaller pieces. And so you keep working through this to see the big picture. I'm not going to finish this. I hope you could figure that out for yourself. But the big picture is this. It's an experience combined with the previous one, and then this one, and then you'll see the next one. There's a series of 3 here that would be part of a learning trajectory to help students to make sense of fractions. Cutting and copying. I hope you can see that happening here. The smaller the pieces, the more it's going to take to cover a whole, and that's going to help students develop that mental imagery to be able to compare fractions well. Hope you had a good time with that activity. Get ready to move on. It's about to get good.